15 अगस्त 2024 को ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने और देश को एड्रेस करते वक्त ये कहा कि इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स में ऐसे न्यू कमर्स आने चाहिए जिनका कोई दूर दूर तक पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड ना हो। तो ये एक डेवलप भारत के लिए बहुत अच्छा स्टेप होगा, जिससे कि अच्छे जो लोग देश की सेवा के लिए आना चाहेंगे, न कि सिर्फ उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव पैसे बनाना होगा, तो ये हो सकेगा। ऐसा एग्ज़ाम्पल जैसे ग्रेट ब्रिटेन में है, वहाँ पे मिनिस्टर जो हैं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो हैं, जब वो बदलते हैं तो उसके बाद वो फिर अपने नॉर्मल सिटीज़न की तरह रहते हैं, काम करते हैं, नौकरी करते हैं। तो वो सर्विस के लिए आए होते हैं और पैसा बनाने के लिए नहीं आते। उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव वो नहीं है कि भी हम पॉलिटिक्स में इसलिए आए कि हम और मनीड बन जाएं। तो कुछ पॉइंट्स मैंने कुछ अपने व्यूज़ बनाए हैं रिफॉर्मिंग इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर, जो कि हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हाईलाइट किया है और जो कि हमें 2047 तक डेवलप्ड भारत बनने में बनेगा। हम तभी बनेंगे जब हम ट्रांसपेरेंट होंगे और हमारा सिस्टम जो है जल्दी से जल्दी इम्प्रूवमेंट की तरफ चल पड़ेगा। तो ये मैंने कुछ पॉइंट बनाए हैं, आपसे शेयर करता हूँ। ये मैंने इंग्लिश में लिखे हैं तो मैं इंग्लिश में ही बोलता हूँ। ऑनरेबल PM नरेंद्र मोदी जी ऑन 15 अगस्त 2024 mentioned that Indian citizens with no political background in their families should be encouraged to come in Indian political system. This is important to make our Bharat a developed by 2047. I feel this is achievable with following essential actions. Central government may sponsor expenses for all such individual volunteering to join political system with their no political family background. All candidates may be allowed and to speak to public on national TV channels only in joint manner. All rallies to address public must have all candidates from that constituency to speak. No party candidate allowed to hold separate rallies. This way, public can listen to and judge best candidate to serve them. All posters and pamphlets will have photo and messages of all candidates, including on newspapers. This way people can read and judge best candidates for their constituency and will focus more on candidates rather than focus on party, even if the candidate is not good for constituency. EC should issue such posters, pamphlets, newspapers, items funded by government. EC must approve each and every poster, and no posters should be unauthorizedly sent to the public to influence people by freebies. Next point I have suggested is on important matters for passing important bills, voting should be by secret ballots only. This will ensure unbiased and genuine views of MPs rather than influenced by party. Voting will be on merit basis and through secret ballots and not by raising hands. If above measures are taken, we can expect that more and more genuine citizens may join Indian political system. Also, various rules of political system should be laid down in Parliament manual. For example, after tenure of MP, her assets should be examined and clearance report should be submitted to President of India or probed as the case be. Also, above are few of the steps which will surely help improve our political system before it is too late for 2047 develop India. In England, after PM is changed, he or she works as a normal citizen and lives like a common man because he or she became PM to serve people and not for huge earnings as objective. This is submitted for all good citizens who look for a developed Bharat soon. Please share your views to my email skjainial@yahoo.co.in. I repeat, skjainial@yahoo.co.in. Thanks for your time and good luck.